What's up guys, for today's video I got another base camp portable fire pit. Check this out, for convenient leave no trash campfires. So that's the idea of that. Unbox it and let's set it up. Okay, let's figure it out how this works. Cool. Oh, okay, very easy. And then those two things slides in into those notches. Wow, super quick. Okay, what's in here? Okay, looks like this one gonna slide in into here and here, and same way like that. I guess this is gonna go under here. Nice, so highly ventilated, and the grill gonna go on top like that. Okay, before I start the fire in here and it gets all dirty, let's take it apart and see how hard it is to hold it back together. Push this thing inside here, close this all the way. Nice. Put this thing over and put the belt in, make it tight. Good. And then grab it. Maybe this thing right here should be tied up a little bit different way, but there you go. Pretty nice and comfortable, super easy to break it down and put it together. So one more time, now that it's all unboxed, lift this up. The best way to open it, grab this and push it open, and you see there's a notches gonna go inside there. Boom, boom. And as you can see, this is a very big size fire pit, so you can have a big bonfire inside here. And I love that there is also a grill. That is so good, you can cook so much on this thing. Very durable. Cool. A little bit of newspaper, and I have here the sticks. It's gonna catch on so quick. And look at that, with the good firewood, we got the fire going super easily without worrying building leftover fire pit. You just brought it with you. Wouldn't hike for miles with this thing, but I don't know, but maybe a tiny little hike where you're gonna cook, it's perfect. So it's kind of portable campfire and grill at the same time. Look at that, we got here pretty good fire going. Very nice fire pit over here. And as you can see, there's a metal plate over here. I don't have too big of a flame, so I can even put it somewhat, unless I'm not making it a lot longer flame right here on this porch. That's cool. This is a Trex porch, so I put some kind of tile under it, so make sure that Trex does not melt, or that synthetic wood. I'm not really sure what it is, but yeah, look at that fire pit. It's amazing. Big flame, beautiful. So once it burns off, we're ready to cook something over it. So I like it a lot.